Welcome to Motors Sports Mania, your ultimate destination for the latest automotive reviews, specs, and features of the most iconic cars on the market. In this video, we are diving deep into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLS, a vehicle that stands out with its luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a car enthusiast, someone considering a purchase, or simply curious about the latest in the automotive world, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with all things motorsports and cars. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLS is truly an engineering marvel, combining the latest in technology with exceptional luxury. Mercedes-Benz has consistently delivered with its GLS lineup, and the 2025 model takes it a step further by enhancing its already outstanding features and capabilities. This SUV brings a sophisticated blend of powerful performance, advanced features, and a premium driving experience that's hard to match. Starting with its exterior design, the 2025 GLS has a commanding presence on the road. The sleek lines and aggressive grille create an impression of strength and sophistication. The front features a prominent Mercedes-Benz emblem, complemented by high-definition LED headlights, offering both style and enhanced visibility. The body of the GLS is sculpted to convey a sense of elegance while maintaining an aura of rugged capability, making it ideal for both city streets and off-road adventures. The 2025 GLS sits on a large, imposing frame, giving it that signature luxury SUV stature. It is equipped with large alloy wheels that give it an even more aggressive stance. Overall, the SUV's aerodynamic shape reduces drag, which helps improve fuel efficiency and stability at higher speeds. Moving inside, the interior of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLS is a luxurious sanctuary. The cabin features top-of-the-line materials, including fine leather upholstery, wood trim, and high-end metallic accents. The attention to detail is evident, with every component designed to offer both comfort and a premium feel. The seating configuration can accommodate up to 7 passengers, with ample space in all 3 rows. This makes it an ideal family vehicle without compromising on luxury. The front seats are fully adjustable and heated, with options for ventilation, massage functions, and memory settings, providing comfort for even the longest of journeys. The second and third rows offer impressive legroom, with the third row particularly spacious compared to other SUVs in the same class. The SUV's air suspension ensures a smooth, refined ride no matter the road conditions, making it a perfect blend of luxury and utility. In terms of technology, the 2025 GLS is packed with the latest features. The centerpiece of the cabin is the MBUX infotainment system, which consists of a dual-screen setup, offering easy access to all the vehicle's controls and navigation. The system is intuitive, with voice recognition technology allowing the driver to control most functions hands-free. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration are standard, and the 2025 GLS also offers a 3D navigation system that makes getting to your destination easier and more visually appealing. Safety is a top priority for Mercedes-Benz, and the 2025 GLS comes equipped with an extensive array of safety features. The SUV includes advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features ensure that both the driver and passengers are well protected in any situation, making it one of the safest luxury SUVs available today. Under the hood, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLS offers a range of powerful engine options. The base GLS 454 MATIC comes with a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 engine that delivers a smooth yet potent 362 horsepower. For those seeking even more power, the GLS 584 MATIC features a 4.0-liter V8 engine, producing an impressive 483 horsepower. Both engines are paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, providing a seamless driving experience. The GLS also offers optional hybrid powertrains, making it more eco-friendly while still offering remarkable performance. The driving dynamics of the 2025 GLS are equally impressive. With its all-wheel drive system and advanced suspension setup, it provides a smooth and composed ride, even on rough terrain. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking on an off-road adventure, the GLS offers confidence-inspiring handling. The vehicle's driving modes can be adjusted to suit different conditions, allowing you to customize your driving experience based on your preferences. In terms of cargo space, the 2025 GLS offers impressive storage capacity, particularly with the rear seats folded down. Whether you're hauling luggage for a family trip or loading up gear for an adventure, you'll have plenty of room to carry everything you need. In conclusion, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLS represents the pinnacle of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology in the full-size SUV category. With its striking design, high-end features, powerful engine options, and top-notch safety systems, the GLS stands as one of the most desirable vehicles in its class. If you're looking for an SUV that combines performance with luxury, the 2025 GLS should be at the top of your list. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Motors Sports Mania for more in-depth reviews and automotive content. Stay tuned for more exciting videos.